Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. In my earlier video, I have given the information about the settings in WhatsApp. As few people have requested me to give more information about the WhatsApp settings. So here I came up with the new video where I am giving the information in detail about the WhatsApp one by one along with the new features which are added to the WhatsApp recent days. So I request you to watch the video till the end without any skipping so that you will not be missing any point in the WhatsApp settings and features. So without any delay, let's get started. WhatsApp. Here we go, three dots. The first option is like new group. This is like creating a new group, and I have created with 3 members. I'm just providing a name, then done. Okay, here I have created a group with the name family. Along with me 4 participants are there, and here I am the admin. Let me show you the settings in the chats. If I open this family group, I can see the first option, mute notifications. It means that the notifications will be muted for some time. Okay, if now I am turning on, it is showing that 8 hours 1 week always, means I can mute the notifications for 8 hours or 1 week or always according to my wish. I'm choosing for 8 hours. It means that whatever the messages I'm receiving in this group, it will be in silent mode for 8 hours. I will not get any message tone. This feature you can use it when you are attending an interview or in a meeting, so that you will not get distracted. Moving to the next is custom notifications. If I open this is the place where I can set a separate ringtone or pop-up notification to this group. Moving to the next is media visibility. Media visibility is nothing but you're choosing whether the WhatsApp images or videos has to download or not into the gallery of your phone. Let me open this. Here I am choosing no. Whatever the images or videos I am receiving in this group will not be downloaded into my gallery. Here you need to notice that you are doing this setting only to this group, not to the other WhatsApp chats or groups. Moving to the next is disappearing messages. This is the very new feature in the WhatsApp. If I turn on this one, all the messages will get deleted after 7 days automatically. Let me show you. Now I have turned on, right? If you see on top near the group icon, one small icon is there. It means that the disappearing messages option is turned on. All the messages will get deleted after 7 days. If I want to turn off, you just tap on the message and turn off. You can add the participants from here. If you give a long tap on the person name, you can make them as a group admin, or you can remove from the group, or you can message them personally, and you can exit from the group even. Now let's move to the next one, new broadcast. Here I am creating a new broadcast group, which is something different from normal groups. Let me create a group. I have added 3 members in this group, then done. In these 3 participants are there. Okay, let me send a message, hi. I have sent the message hi, but the recipient will be receiving this message hi as a personally. They will be thinking that I have sent them hi message to them personally. This is where the difference comes between the normal and this broadcast groups. For your better understanding, let me give you an example. Suppose you want to share the invitation card to your friends. Just create a broadcast group like this and post the invitation card in the group. The friends in this group will receive the invitation card personally. They will be thinking that you are sending them invitation card personally, not in the group. This is how it will be differing from the normal group. And if the recipient is sending any message to you, you will be receiving that message personally, not in this broadcast group. Hope you understood this. Let's move to the next one, starred messages. See, as of now I didn't select any message as an important message. Let me show you how we will do. I'm just selecting this message. Okay, here I can see the star option. I have starred it. When we go back, here we can see the starred messages. This is the way you can easily search your important messages. Okay, let's move to the next one. Payments, the very interesting one. You all might be knowing that WhatsApp is going to bring this payments option even, which will become more easy. There is no one without using WhatsApp nowadays. I need to activate this payment one in my phone. It will take a few seconds, we need to wait. Yeah, it is showing the list of banks. Okay, you can select the bank which you are having the account, and it will be verifying the phone number. I don't think so. Very fast it is happening. It is not much late. Even it will take hardly 1 minute, I think, to activating. I think. Okay, done. Now my WhatsApp payment is activated. Now I can do the payments. Okay, but one thing here you need to remember is that the other person, the recipient, also should activate their WhatsApp payment. Then only these payments can be done. Okay. Okay, now let's move to the last one, settings, account, privacy. Here you can see few options. First option is like last seen. Last seen is nothing but the latest time you have seen the WhatsApp message, that will be displayed. Okay, if I choose that one, here I am having three options. To explain this, let me give you an example. Suppose a person called Bhargavi has sent me a message in WhatsApp. I didn't save her number. Okay. If I choose the option everyone, my last seen or my profile photo or WhatsApp status can be seen by everyone. Even though I didn't save Bhargavi's number, she can see my profile photo or last seen. Okay. Now I'm choosing my contacts. If I go with my contacts, only my contacts, the person's name or phone number whom I have saved in my contacts, only they can see my WhatsApp status or last seen or profile photo. Now if I choose nobody, nobody can see my last seen or whatever it may be. Okay, this is how these three options will work. Moving to the next option is like a profile photo. Again, here I'm having three options, like everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Here I'm choosing my contacts so that only my saved contacts can see my profile photo. Now, moving to the next is about. About is nothing but you're telling about yourself to others. Simply I can say, when you can see the profile photo in the WhatsApp, next to it you can see like message WhatsApp only, can't talk, like that. This is what something will say about yourself to others. Here I am choosing this about to only to my contacts. Okay, next moving to the status. If I choose my contacts, all my contacts can see the WhatsApp status. If I choose my contacts except, if I am selecting only three members names, I am selecting, apart from these three members, all other people can see my WhatsApp status. Okay, now if I choose only share with, I am choosing these three people, two people, only these two people can see my WhatsApp status, others cannot see my WhatsApp status. This is how it will differ. So here I am choosing only my contacts. Next option is like read receipts. Before telling you about this read receipts, let me show you one thing. Okay, here I have sent a message to this person. He has read the message. How can I confirm? By seeing this double tick in blue color. You might have come across some situations that you have sent the message, but you don't know whether the person has read the message or not. Even though the person has read the message, the still it will be in white color. Why it is? Because of this read receipts is turned off. Let me show you. If I turn off this one, this double tick will appear in only white color. It doesn't appear in blue color. Okay. Moving to the next is like groups. If I open here, again I'm having the three options here. Everyone, my contacts except. If I choose the everyone, everyone can add me in their WhatsApp groups even though I don't have his number. Okay, my contacts means only my contacts whom number I have saved in my contact list, only those people can add me in their groups. Okay, my contacts except if I choose two people, okay, these people cannot add me in their WhatsApp groups. Okay, other people, rest everyone can add me in their WhatsApp groups apart from these members. This is so here I am choosing my contacts because of security reasons. Moving to the next, live location. Live location is nothing but sharing your location to others. Okay, and blocked contacts, this is a place where you can see the contacts you have blocked. Okay, and fingerprint, this is a latest one. Here it is turned off, I'm going to turn on. I'm giving my fingerprint, it will take few seconds. Oh, successfully I am done with my fingerprint, and it is asking here three options: immediately, after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. It means that it will lock, I mean WhatsApp will lock immediately or after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. Here I am choosing after 1 minute. And moving to the next, security. Security is nothing but it will act like a end-to-end encryption. No third parties can see your messages which is sent between the two persons. This is how it works. Moving to the next is like a two-step verification. This is very important for each and everyone who is using the WhatsApp. Let me show you how to enable it. Enable, and here you need to give the password, 6-digit number, and confirm it. And then it will ask for the email ID. You give the registered email ID. After providing the email ID, move to the next, and again you need to confirm the email ID and then save. Okay, you will get the notification like this: two-step verification is enabled, then done. This is very important, okay, so that no one can hack your WhatsApp account. Next one is change number. Let me tell you one thing before explaining this. Whenever you want to change your WhatsApp number, you want all your messages or information whatever is there in the old number to be transferred to the new number. This is the place where you have to change. Okay, if I choose this one, go to the next. Here you need to provide the old number with the country code and new number with the country code. Okay, after providing these two numbers, the information what is there in the old number will be transferred to the new number. Okay, this is how you can use this option and change your WhatsApp number. Moving to the last option is delete my account. Suppose if you are using two WhatsApp accounts and you don't want to continue one WhatsApp account, you want to delete one account. This is where you need to delete the account. You just open it and you can give the mobile number and go to the delete my account and confirm it. This is, make sure that if you are not using any WhatsApp for a long time, try to delete that account instead of keeping like that. Until now we are done with the account. Let's move to the next option, chats. Here the first is about the display. First is like a theme. Here I am going with the system default. According to the day and night it will adjust. According to the day and night it will adjust. Okay, if I choose the light, everything will be in light color. If I choose the dark, let me show you. Now everything is appearing in the dark. Okay, see here I'm choosing the system default. Okay, and then wallpaper, you can add the wallpaper from your gallery. Moving to the next, chat settings. First option is enter is send. Let me show you one thing here. I'm sending a message to my family group. Hi. Okay, here I need to send this message, means I need to click on the green color button with the arrow mark. Okay, this is how usually it happens. Okay, if I choose enter is send, if I turn on this one, then how it appears, let me show you. I'm sending how. Okay, here you can see next to the dot I can see the enter button here. If I click on this, it will be automatically sent to the group. This is how it works. To the next, media visibility. If I turn off this one, whatever the WhatsApp images or videos will not be downloaded into my gallery. Okay, if I turn on this, the images or videos whatever is in WhatsApp will be automatically downloaded into my gallery. Usually I will be turn off this one so that all the gallery will not be piled up with any WhatsApp photos or images. And next is font size. You can choose the font size small, medium or large according to your wish. Moving to the next is app language. You can choose the languages here, Telugu or Kannada, whatever it may be. I'm going with the English. Next, chat backup. This is a place where you can back up all your WhatsApp messages which will be saved in your Google Drive. And then chat history. This is a place where you can do everything in one shot. You can export the chat, you can archive all the chats, you can clear all the chats and delete all the chats in one shot. Okay, this is how it works, and this is all done with the chats. Next is the notifications. This is the place where you can choose your notification tone, or you can keep vibration on or off, whatever it may be according to your wish, and ringtone even. Okay, and next is the storage and data. First is like manage storage. Here you can see all the photos or videos whatever you have received in the WhatsApp. Okay, and this is a place where you can delete the videos or photos easily rather than going into the gallery. And you can see the files which are larger than 5 MB here. Okay, whatever you want to delete you can delete here directly rather than going into the each and every chat and deleting the messages. Okay, this is how you can manage your storage. And next is like network usage. It will be giving you the notifications of the usage of network. And media auto download. How to choose? When using mobile data I have chosen the photos to download. Okay, and when it is connected to Wi-Fi I have chosen all photos, videos, audio, everything to get download. And when roaming, no media I have chosen. This is how it works. So friends, this is all about in the settings. I have given enough information in the settings. I think hope I have given the enough information about the WhatsApp and settings and the new feature, and hope you have seen the video without any skipping until the end. If you like this video, try to refer to your friends, as we will be coming up with few more videos like this which are useful to each and everyone. Okay, if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you. Bye.